I'm not sure when I first fell in love with the craft, but, at this point I don't think I could picture my life without it. They say we stand on the shoulders of the giants that came before us, but, at this point I'm not even sure whose shoulders I'm standing on. I think I've got a bit of a different story to tell. Yeah, I've been getting after it for about 3 years now, but at this point, maybe it's a bit of an obsession.
What would you say makes a good bird watcher?
I feel like in these situations, knowledge is really the key. You really gotta get inside the head of a bird. You gotta think like a bird, you have to act like a bird. You gotta study up on the ecology, the physiology, you gotta know the migratory patterns. These are just all factors that you gotta think about when you're trying to score some birds. You gotta love nature in all its forms. Some days you got the sun in your face, it's beautiful and clear, other days it's rainy and miserable. But the real ones find beauty in both. Birding's got its highs and its lows. When you're just starting out, there's a lot of lows. Like a lot of lows. But I've learned to appreciate the ups and the downs, and at the end of the day, it's really about the thrill of the chase. Any day birding is better than any day in the office, that's what I always say.
You could be any bird. What would it be?
A blue heron. I just think their stoicness, their introspection, it just exemplifies what it means to be a birder. You got this new generation that just doesn't really appreciate the craft. They're out here baiting and staging for clicks. And there's days where, the temptation to jump on the train is pretty strong. But I just try to remind myself why I'm out here in the first place. My hope is that maybe my experience will help inspire someone else. Who knows, maybe one day I'll be the giant that someone's standing on top of.
So after all this time, what would you say is your favorite sighting so far?
Oh, I've never actually seen a bird.
Sorry?
Well, I've never seen one with my own eyes, but I know they're out there. I'm staying optimistic because I know that eventually I will see birds.